Sweet guys, this is M396 coming from Memphis, Tennessee, and it looks like B731 is going to meet up with it. B731 originates in St. John's, New Brunswick, terminates in Saskatchewan. M396 originates in Toronto, originates in Memphis, Tennessee, terminates in Toronto. 5 locomotives on B731. Apparently there's a mid-BPU on this too. Saw earlier for the BC rail that we saw earlier, that train was 438, which originates from Windsor, Ontario, terminates in London, Ontario. B730, which originates in Montreal, terminates in Chicago. And earlier in the yard, 435 had somebody riding the train and they got arrested. And there's the end of the train. Oh look, there's another green.
Really?
Yeah.